Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of iQIYI app. You will go to settings as you see and you will click in this first page you will go to settings. You will find it like this and then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about iQIYI app. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop, then we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account.